It's a movement, it's a movement. You can't stop it, stop it. Ferrari F50.
I say I run it, cause I'm in control. Hitting out it, couldn't see a couple shots of Patron. I ain't feeling alright, I get your eyes a kite. Party poppin', shawty said she coming with me tonight. I ain't self-deleting, I ain't snapping and popping either. I'm bobbing my head, or I'm just standing there watching. I'm a hustler, I hustle, you can tell that I'm paid. And I protect what I got, I'm in the house with my blade. Nigga, you front, you gon' get it. Okay, now maybe I'm sitting, cause I want you to treat it. Yeah, I be on that shit it. You should see when I'm stunting, the flash stones to be bunting. Push the whip, see me rolling, you can tell that I'm howling. I'm just doing my thing, you know the units, the gang. I got my crime, me shady with me, you front, you'll have to get me off your ass. If it a lawsuit and laugh, it's not a big deal, it's nothing but some cash. Let's go there.
Marshall Madness.
To the rage of today's youth and bottle it. Crush the glass with my bare hands and swallow it, and spit it back in the faces of you racists and hypocrites who think the same shit but don't say shit. You Liberace's, Versace's, and you Nazis. Watch me cause you thinking you got me in this hot seat. You motherfuckers wanna judge me cause you're not me. You'll never stop me, I'm top speed and you pop me. I came to save these new generations of babies from parents who failed to raise them cause they're lazy to grow to praise me and making them go crazy. That's how I got this whole nation to embrace me. And you fugazi if you think I'ma admit wrong. I quit any hypocritic critic I'm sicked on. And this song is for any kid who gets picked on. A sick song to retaliate to when this kind of music, use it and you get amped to do shit. Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it, it's just some shit for these kids that trash their rules with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. It's like the shit that you don't have to ask who produced it, you just know. That's the new shit, the type of shit that causes mass confusion. The drastic movement of people acting stupid is fight music.
Shady, see you in the aftermath.
Yeah, y'all, let's bring it. Niggas is so gangster, niggas is thugs. Niggas will spend their whole life peddling drugs, slanging dope in hopes of one day being able to own their own label and give the game up. Some niggas came up, some just didn't. It's just the way it is. If it ain't meant, it just isn't. Some niggas will get money and pay niggas to back them so they can act up, feel comfortable and rap tough, and that's ass backwards. Niggas just gon' keep coming back, and that's when extortion happens. Then you struggle to get free. I know how this shit be. You give anything to live legitimately, but you gon' find if you do get in this industry, it's best to do business with me than against me. Niggas get behind mics and ain't even MCs. Niggas get on MTV just to dish me. This shit don't even piss me off. I'm laughing all the way to the bank, watching you satellite from a bench. Ain't even got a car, you're so far under my radar. I don't even know who the fuck you are to tell you to suck my dick while I'm pissing. I don't even listen to your shit to know the fuck I'm dissing. And media that speeds into these views, trying to add fuel to the fire. This little nigga Ja Rule talking about he's gon' slap me. Nigga please, you gotta jump and swing up to hit me in the knees. I laugh at these magazines, they interview them. All they doing is making fake threats to us through them. And pussy, you not Pac, I knew him. Pac was a real nigga, you just a fucking insult to him. It's too bad we had to fall out before he passed, cause if he could see the shit now, he'd be whooping your ass. You talking to a pioneer who engineered the shit for 19 years. Who you got in your ear? I ain't even gotta say it, the fans know. Cause trying to be tough, nigga, you look an asshole.
Make it happen, my rapping is similar to motherfuckers when they scrapping. Blast and watch them back up, notorious Biggie Killer. Affiliation with Death Row. Niggas get their caps peeled back, food is the West Coast. Bitch, you misdemeanor, I'm raising hell like felonies. Mr. Machiavelli straight out of jail to selling needs. Intoxicated, we duplicated but never faded. Now that we made my adversaries just play a hating. Got a Mercedes for these tricks that thought I quit and got a drop top tag. For these bitches that's on my dick, go to club in the back. I'm smoking bud in the back, I'm waiting for niggas to trip, cause bitch I love to scrap. Mama raised me as a thug nigga, with a love niggas, I'm a millionaire. Started as a drug dealer, I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trusting these chicks, now they all wanna sue me, so fuck them all. hating, got a Mercedes for these tricks that thought I quit and got a drop top tag. For these bitches that's on my dick, go to club in the back. I'm smoking bud in the back. I'm waiting for niggas to trip, cause bitch I love to scrap. Mama raised me as a thug nigga, with a love niggas. I'm a millionaire, started as a drug dealer. I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trusting these chicks, now they all wanna sue me, so fuck them all.